How to download IPA files on iPhone. First of all, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Once you are in the settings, scroll down to find Screen Time and tap to open it. Next, scroll down a bit and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases and next tap on Installing Apps. Make sure the Allow option is already selected. Now let's go back and this time open Allowed Apps and Features. Toggle on the Safari app to proceed to the next step. Now let's go back to the home page and this time open any web browser that you use for searching. Here search for IPA files download and you will get relevant search results. Go to the trusted website that provides IPA files for download. You can explore the website to find the app or use a search bar to locate it. Once you find the IPA file you want, tap on the download button and then tap on download now again. And that's it. Now you can open and use the IPA file on your iPhone. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.